Hi guys, so here's just a quick activity. It's pretty much basically what we were just doing. So we are just gonna find the factors, we're gonna see the common factors, and then we're gonna create the GCF, okay? So for 24, I know 1 and 24. I know 2 and 12. I'm just gonna list them because it's hard to write in this little tiny thing. Maybe if I zoom in. Okay, 2 and 12. 3 and 8, 4 and 6. I think that's it. Right? 2 and 12, 3, 4. Yep, that's it. And then you're going to come do the same thing for 18. 1, 18, 2, 9, 3, and 6. Same thing, you're going to circle your greatest common factors. You're going to circle all your like factors. 2, 3, and 6. Then all you're going to come down here and do is write your common factors. So that's whatever you put in the middle circle. 1, 2, 3, and 6. And then you notice that your greatest common factor is 6, so you're just going to put that here. Okay, that's all you're doing. Super simple.